everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about major scales. Major and minor scales form the basis of tonal music. Tonal music is music where the melody and harmony have a tonal center or home base. The arrangement of all the tones or pitches and chords are in relation to the tonal center or tonic. Before I start explaining about the major scales, we need to talk about something called scale degree. A scale is a stepwise arrangement of notes or pitches contained within an octave. Major and minor scales contain 7 notes or scale degrees. A scale degree is designated by an Arabic numeral with a cap, which indicates the position of the note within the scale. Each scale degree has a name and a solfege syllable. So here we have all the solfege syllables, the names, and the scale degrees. For example, we have do. Do is a tonic and is number 1 on the scale degree. Re is a supertonic. It's number 2. Mi is a mediant. Number 3. Fa is a subdominant. 4. Sol is a dominant and is 5. La is a submediant. 6. And T or C is a leading tone, and that one is number 7. There are 3 very important scale degrees in each scale. That's the tonic, the subdominant, and the dominant. Here we have the scale degree and the solfege names on the music staff. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and do. And as you can see, we have the tonic 2 times over here. So whenever we see do in C major, it's gonna be a tonic. Fa is gonna be a subdominant, and sol is gonna be a dominant. The major scale is a specific pattern of half steps or small steps and whole steps or larger steps that form an octave. Now listen carefully so you can hear the difference between the whole step and the half step. Great! This was an example of a major scale, or exactly C major. A half step is the distance from a key on the piano to the very next key, black or white. If we play only on the white keys on the piano keyboard, we will notice only 2 half steps in each octave. Let's look at this example. We have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We see only 2 half steps if we are using only the white keys. We have a half step between E and F and a half step between B and C. A whole step skips the very next key and goes instead to the following one. Using only the white keys on the piano keyboard, there are 5 whole steps in each octave. So we're gonna write whole step with WS. As you can tell, there's a whole step between C and D, D and E, half step, then we have F and G, whole step, G, A and B, and one more half step. This is the major scale diagram. Exactly, this is the diagram of C major. As you can tell, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole steps and 2 half steps. And this is going to be for every major scale. The whole steps and the half steps are going to be like this. Whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Here they are with the scale degrees. Tonic, subdominant, and dominant are the most important ones. In my next video, we're going to talk about how to build all the major scales based on this diagram. If you're interested, please like and subscribe and you will get a notification when I upload my future videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.